going everywhere. Guacamole Gamer Fart 9000. New waifu cup just dropped, season 3.9 Temptation. Use my discount code LILYY at checkout for 10% off, only at GamerSupps. What's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about why you should drink GamerSupps above all the other energy supplements out there. So as some of you might know, I actually used to work for GamerSupps, and crazy enough, I met my boss at a bar, shout out Bar A, back when I was looking for a job, and the timing couldn't have been more perfect. I'm extremely grateful for my experience with them and extremely grateful for the opportunity to still be partnered with them as we speak. Now, I no longer work for them because I am trying to pursue my passions and do content creating full time, which is why I am a partner with them. If you want to check out their website, feel free to use the link below, but let's delve into why GG. So I actually got a package from GamerSupps, and we're gonna talk about why GG. First of all, the tubs are actually super cost efficient. So this is what the tubs look like. So this one's a 60 servings tub, and this one is 100 servings. The 100 servings usually go for about $35 online, and the crazy thing about it is we're gonna open it up. So this one's actually already been opened. As you can see, clearly Blue Raz is one of my favorites. But the really cool thing about the scooper is that this is the scooper. It's really, really small. And sorry, we're kind of down to the bottom of this tub, so I'm trying to like scrape up the last little bit. This is this is the scooper size. In each scoop, there's 100 milligrams of caffeine, which is crazy because this scooper is very tiny. Best part is it's keto and diabetic friendly, no sugars, no carbs, no calories. Even cooler thing is they actually add L-theanine to the products, which if you don't know what that does, it prevents anxiety, jitters, crashes, all that nasty stuff that typically comes along with caffeine. Just to touch a bit more on their products, they have a bunch of different flavors. As you saw, we have Blue Raz, we got Dragon Fruit Punch, which a lot of people say tastes like Kool-Aid, and I actually agree. Last but not least, and there's tons more flavors, but we also have Guacamole Gamer Fart 9000, Guacamole Gamer Fart 9000, Guacamole Gamer Fart 9000, which is quite the interesting name. So this flavor actually tastes a lot like the Mountain Dew Baja Blast, but without the carbonation. It's strawberry lime flavored. Don't let the name deceive you. They also give out free sample packs, so in each of these, they give out 3 samples. Like I said, they're free. All you have to do is pay for shipping, but this way you can try them out. So in this box, they actually sent me a bunch of different cups that they just recently came out with, and these are all GamerSupps logoed. Woo! We got the first one here that we're gonna open up. Very nice. Look at that. And on the inside, this strainer actually is to help break up the powder whenever you do create yourself a drink. The colors are so retro, I love it. Purple strainer. This one's really dope. Got a white strainer. Now it's on the floor. Sweating. Probably sweat stains by now. Lastly, waifu cups. So these are their own original waifu designs. If you don't know what a waifu is, it's basically just a hot anime character. Now I'm just stepping on bubble wrap. Oh my gosh. The cups are really cool because the designs are actually transparent so that you can see the liquid on the inside, and we got the GG on the back. They not only just drop cups, they also drop t-shirts, you got sweatshirts, you got limited edition items like coins, pins, gold plates, stickers, usually come with all of them. I'm pretty sure. This was our season 2 sweatshirt, which is pretty dope. So they actually put a bunch of different waifus from season 2 on the sweatshirt. They also came out with a mouse pad, which I do not have here right now. It's in Jersey, but t-shirts are my favorites. They're really comfortable. But this is today's Temptation. Like I mentioned, we got some other cool products. This one's a coaster from Milkers. She dropped last week. This coin is actually from Shark Girl. She dropped over the summer. This is the gold plate from Samurai. Pretty dope. See the back as well. And this was the Milkers sticker. There's also a QR code on the back that'll take you right to the website. And if you're lucky, you can get today's limited edition Temptation bandana. I'm thinking of wearing it as a shirt. Fuck G Fuel. Buy GamerSupps if you know it's good for you. Use my discount code LILYY for 10% off, only at GamerSupps.